Out this app Your Health. I know you are already familiar with this app. I have already trading video of this, how you can join, how you can earn from this particular app. So today I'm showing you how you can withdrawal proof of part 2 of withdrawal proof, how you can just transfer your balance from there. This is the best earning app for in 2025. And so there is many changes of this is mobile app. So here I am just have 17 friends of my refer, so I am earning some good amount of referral earning. So you can also share with your friends and family, and you can also earn a good amount of refer and earning more. So there is and there is your profile section. Just go there, and here is a goal section where you can just click, and there showing you how you are how you can processing your how you are processing your daily or weekly goals. And there is a step completing to 20,000 in one day. You can just claiming 5,000 steps, and there is a 1,40,000 steps in a week. You can claim 10,000, and here is a monthly also 6 lakhs steps you 6 lakhs steps you claim, and you can claim, yeah, you can claim 50,000 of steps. So this is the goal section, and there is a voucher section where you can just click and see how many times you are withdrawing, and the voucher details of the amount. So there is, I have withdrawing 8 or 9 times in from this year up. Okay, there is a claiming from my steps. Okay, and this is all about the in this app. I am showing you how you can withdraw your money from here. So click on market, and here is the skip button. Here is an hot offer, and there is a FTX exchange icon. So here you can see, and the two offer in ongoing. From in first offer you can simply withdraw your steps from here, and second offer is you can just claim it, and you have you must have 1,000 refers and 5,000 refers from your own country and other, and and they completed 50,000 from 50,000 steps in their account. So this is the account you can get. In this is the process you can get and claim 5,500 FTN, which is worth of 1,850 euro, which is more than 1 lakh or 2 lakh in Pakistani INR and NPR. And this is on other countries of lakhs of rupees. And from there we are today we are ordering this 1 FTN token from there, and there is skip button, escape, and there is this is my FTN UID, and this is my address, where you can just simply use your own. I'm showing how you can get this address and UID from your how you can I'm showing you how you can get this UID and address. So click on there is a profile icon where you can see, click on profile, and here is your ID. Just copy it and go to the wallet section. This is this how you can create this exchange. I already told telling on another video. I give you link in the description. So go to an wallet section. First you have to must verify your KYC, and you can just do it all the normally tasks, and you can just click on deposit with crypto. And there is a search bar where you can just simply search FTN, and you can get this. And here is two option of BHRC20 or ERC20. So you just click on both of it, no problem. So I am suggesting you to BHRC20 to click on BHRC20, and copy this address and paste it here. Here is your UID, and here is your address, and just simply click on order, and this is just order balance, and this is transfer to the FTX exchange. So click on OK, and the amount of my 2 lakhs reduced in 55,000. So I'm going back, and I'm seeing this, and there is a voucher created on January, February 2nd, and this is and there is the wallet, and I refresh it. It is taking some time to Here we can see, and there is coming the withdrawal notification. So simply you have to withdraw, verify this withdraw from your from you have sending this F10 token from your own. So click on verify deposit, and click, and there is an option of exchange or platform or private wallet, and you can just click on private wallet, where you can just click and continue. And here is individual, and I am the send, click on I am sender. mm, I am sender, and your name is appear in there, and there is a company name. You can just simply type your health, and you can just simply this is the safest way. You can just verify your verify. Just click on individual, and I am the sender, and just submit. Click on submit button, and go to your wallet. There is in few seconds your balance is so in your wallet, and just okay, my deposit just verified, and just I have just getting my balance. In here you can see this, and there is a way here confirm your deposit. And just from here I will show you how you can transfer your balance on this exchange to another exchange, as well how you can do this.